Hello everyone, welcome back to another camera review. Today in this video, I like to share you guys Vivo X300 FE details camera test. I am Shadath from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. By the way, I am already making this smartphone unboxing and short review. Video link also available in the video description and the first comment. Check it out. The Vivo X300 FE featuring a powerful triple camera setup, a 50 megapixel Sony IMX921 main sensor, 50 megapixel Sony IMX882 telephoto camera, 8 megapixel Sony OBO8 f10 ultra wide, and 50 megapixel Samsung JN1 selfie camera. Alright, first of all talk about the video quality. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 8K 30fps video, and you also record 4K 30 60 120 fps slow-mo video, and 1080p you can record 30 60 120 fps slow-mo video with EIS and OIS, and this is the video sample. So let me know in the comment what do you think about the smartphone video quality. Alright, now let's talk about the picture quality. The smartphone main camera you can take a very good photo at daylight. All the images have a lot of details and sharpness, and the color correction also very good. And I hope so that you guys get a very good idea about the Vivo X300 FE main camera picture quality. So let me know in the comment what do you think about the Vivo X300 FE camera quality. Now talk about the 8 megapixel ultra wide. You can take 115-degree ultra wide photo with Vivo X300 FE. The 8 megapixel ultra wide you can take a decent pictures. Yeah, the 50 megapixel sensor take a better photo compared to 8 megapixel ultra wide. Overall the camera quality are very decent, and the color correction dynamic range are very good, and this is the night ultra wide picture quality. So let me know in the comment what do you think about the Vivo X300 FE ultra wide picture quality. Overall the Vivo X300 FE taking a very good ultra wide. Now let's talk about the portrait photography. You can take a different focal length photo like 23mm, 35mm, 50mm, 85mm and 100mm. All the focal length you can take a excellent portrait with Vivo X300 FE. No matter is daylight, low light and also night, all the situation the smartphone take a excellent portrait. So let me know in the comment what do you think about the Vivo X300 FE portrait photography. Alright, now let's talk about the night photography. The 50 megapixel sensor take a very good photo also at night. All the images have a lot of details and sharpness, and thanks to night mode to take a better pictures. So as you can see that we are taking almost natural picture. So let me know in the comment what do you think about the Vivo X300 FE night photography. I hope you guys get a very good idea about the Vivo X300 FE camera quality, and if you already using Vivo X300 FE, let me know in the comment. Let me know in the comment what's your camera experience with Vivo X300 FE. Okay, that's all about our today video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech review like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.